you know how many types of robots there are? The last one is especially impressive. The first type, industrial robots. Industrial robots drive manufacturing and production lines with precision and efficiency. The second type, commercial robots. They enhance customer experience in fields such as hospitality, retail, and healthcare, for example, food delivery robots and service robots. The third type, agricultural robots. They improve agricultural practices through automation and artificial intelligence, such as automatic harvesting, sowing, and fertilizing. The fourth type, exploration robots. They are used to explore unknown areas, from the ocean to outer space, such as inspection robots, expedition robots, and reconnaissance robots. The fifth type, special purpose robots. They are also known as specialized robots. They are generally used in specialized sectors, such as the fire brigade, the military, and coal mines. Products include firefighting robots, mine firefighting robots, bomb disposal robots, mine clearance robots, and drainage robots. Brothers and sisters, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment and speak your mind.